I'm bored, waiting for my friend to show up. It's 7:23. He should show up at 10 o'clock because his movie ends around 9:30 or so. And I don't know. But the movie he's going to see is Skyfall. It was Red Dawn. But then his dad told him what the reviews were, so they went to go see Skyfall with his mom, dad, and brother. He said he would tell me the ratings, but I'm sleeping over at his house tonight. And yeah, it's probably going to be fun. We're probably going to make some videos, play Xbox. Going to be fun. I hope it is, because if it isn't, I'm going to be mad, Patrick. I'm going to be mad. What was that? What was that? Declan. Joey? Aiden? Mom, please. No answer. I'm gonna end this. Yeah, and just now, I am. Goodbye! Elmo wants to tell you goodbye. Bye now.